So you are one of my examples that I hold up, because a lot of people, unlike other things that you can invest in your life, football, wrestling, you've got a shelf life on those, but you have proven what I always say, you're actually in practice. Your voice is as strong today. And I study, believe me, I've went and gone back to the recordings. I listened to your latest album all the way back to 1980. And there's not a practical difference in the way your voice sounds today from back then. Actually, I think it's gotten a little bit better. What do you attribute